Honey is one of the more challenging materials when it comes to freeze drying. The issue is that the actual eutectic temperature of honey is extremely low, lower than the condensation temperature of the machine. What can be done is to mix honey with water, which has a eutectic temperature around 0 degrees, obviously, and with this method bring this temperature on a higher up to minus 10 degrees or minus 5, around this area. It's something you have to experiment with, because every honey again is a bit different, but you will have to find out. In any case, you have to mix it with water to make this work in this type of machine. Once you mix this together, you can freeze it. Already at this point, you will notice if you're on a good track or not, and it might require more water. But if the material is well frozen, chances are great that you will have a good result. After that, you need a very slow process. Keep in mind, it will take up to a week inside the machine to freeze dry honey. If you put too much temperature to honey, what is going to happen is that it becomes like a foam, and it will clog up the whole machine, and it will be a very messy thing. Although it will taste good, but it's still very messy. So yes, mix with water, see if it freezes well, and take it from there and make it very slow. You have to make your own experiments with this.